I'm back. Hey everyone, it feels so good to be back again on YouTube screen. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that have constantly checked up on me. Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, your support, your messages, your comments in my previous videos, your DMs means a whole lot to me. It was even the reason I came back even earlier than expected. Thank you very much. May God Almighty bless you all. I can't begin to mention names because you guys were so many. Thank you very much. May God Almighty bless you and raise men to help you at your time of need, okay? Thank you very much, and I really appreciate all of your kind gestures, okay? Yes, I took a little time off YouTube. We all know that sometimes we need to take a break, relax, and come back even better. And trust me, I am back with fresh energy, new ideas, and exciting content that I know you would love. So, if you have been here for a while, you know that my channel focuses on YouTube tips and tutorials, UK immigration news, DIYs, vlogs, and lifestyle, and that is not going to change, okay? And the good news is that I'm leveling up. I'm bringing up more exciting content to you. I'm not going to spill the beans yet, okay? And also I'll be sharing in-depth insights about my personal journey as a content creator, okay? So basically, I'm bringing in more value, more fun, and more originality. So if you have not already subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell notification so that I get to know when I post all these amazing videos very soon, okay? So let's chat in the comment section. Which of my videos are you looking forward to? YouTube tips and tutorials, vlogs, DIYs, lifestyle, UK immigration news? Drop it in the comment section. I am super excited to start this journey again with you all. And I want to say thank you very much once again to everyone that constantly checks up on me. It means a whole lot to me. Like, you have me in your heart. You guys are the best. Thank you very much, okay? May God bless you once again. And back to the matter. Where did we stop? Let's get started.